finds products to sell. Everybody asks me, how do you find products to sell on Amazon like this cool cup or this hand soap dispenser, and this is how I do it. Wouldn't it be nice if you didn't have to spend hours researching products, contacting suppliers overseas, getting products made from scratch, and creating a new listing in hopes it will sell on Amazon? Wouldn't it? Yeah, it really would.
Amazon is oversaturated. It's too late.
It's a scam. It definitely won't work. Says the person who has not been able to figure it out, so why are you even listening to them? If you want to be the first millionaire in your family, hit thumbs up. And if you want to quit that job you hate, subscribe, because we post new videos every Wednesday. Cajun, don't eat my flower, that's my prop. Make sure you stay tuned until the very end, where I'll be sharing the exact scripts we use to contact suppliers and how you can learn how to get started from multiple multi-million-dollar Amazon sellers. It's not just me making money on Amazon. We have some clients who just started selling, but they are already getting massive results. Check out Ashley, who hit $5,000 in sales in just 2 months and got ungated in Lego. Danae made $10K in sales her first 4 months, and Jeremy is a total superstar. He hit $56,000 in sales his very first year selling. I'm Morgan Rainey, but you can call me Lil Mo, and I am not an Amazon guru, quite the opposite. I'm just a normal girl from Louisiana. I used to be a broke waitress, but I have turned into a $5.3 million Amazon seller, and today I help normal people like you and me start and grow their Amazon business despite being scared to even get started, so that you can make extra income, to quit worrying about money and quit living paycheck to paycheck. I asked Scott Needham, the king of selling on Amazon, how he finds so many products to sell, and this is exactly what he told me. In this 3-part series of how to find products to sell on Amazon, today I am sharing part 3 that covers how to find products by spying on your competitors. If you want to check out part 1 and 2, head over here. If you want to make enough money to quit that job you hate, here are 3 tips to do it. Number 1, you have to avoid competing directly with Amazon. It's their world. We're just lucky to be invited to it. 2, you want to spend time with brands that will actually say yes to wholesalers. Don't waste your time on any brands who directly sell their products on Amazon or any private label sellers. 3, find the best brands with the least amount of competition. Here's how. This is one of my favorite ways to find products with Smart Scout. So Scott normally offers you a 7-day free trial if you go to smartscout.com. But if you go to cajunventuresmo.com/smartscout, you will actually get 30 days for free with our promo code. Thanks, Scott, for doing that for my audience. So this is exactly what we're gonna do. Once you log into Smart Scout, it's gonna look like this. And what we're going to use, because we are about to spy on our competitors and steal their best-selling products so that we can feed our family. So you wanna go down to Other Tools and click Seller Map. It's gonna pop up a map of every single seller on Amazon, which is remarkable. It shows you every single product that they sell. So I'm gonna do some filters. So I'm gonna filter where they sell at least $10,000 a month, and then I'm going to put a category. You can pick any category you want. Of course, I'm obsessed with dogs, so I'm gonna go with pet supplies. Then you can click any of these and actually see sellers. So let's just zoom in and check this one out. When you click the little magnifying glass, it's gonna show you this. This is the details of the company. So this is the Fitter Critter. That's kind of a clever, cute name. So you want to go look at their offers. And as you can see, these are all different brands that this company sells on Amazon. What we're trying to do is find brands they dominate that allow wholesalers to sell the products, and then we wanna reach out to those companies and become wholesalers. So if you click on brand coverage, this is gonna tell you everything you need to know. So if we would open this up and it would look more like this, okay, the rabbit nibbles, what the heck? As you can see, this is a store name and this is the brand name, so that is a private label seller. We want to avoid that. But the fitter critter, on the other hand, they have all sorts of different brands, Oral Pro, and you can see the brand percentage coverage they have over here to the right. So what you can do is click on their offers. So this Kentucky Performance product right here, they do over $209,000 every single month of this one product. And that's just the products that wholesalers are making, which is crazy. So you would just reach out to this brand, which is Kentucky Performance Products, and ask them, can you be a wholesale supplier? And as you can see, that product sells for $51 on Amazon. It must be some product for equestrian. You know what they say, niches get riches. So the secret is to contact all of these brands, and then once you click on the brand, you can see every single product that they sell on Amazon. And this is a game changer for your business. If you see somebody that sells a lot of things on Amazon, you can actually just type in that seller's name and boom, you have gotten all their information. Since you are one of the very few who stayed until the very end, I made you this free beginner guide to start selling wholesale products. This is the exact scripts that we use to become wholesalers for some major brands. Thanks for watching today's training on how to find profitable products. And if you found this video valuable, don't forget to hit subscribe and hit that bell so that you don't miss videos like this one that show you even more ways to make money on Amazon. I'll see you on the next video. Now y'all, go make that money.